Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting work. Save a backup file now because purging is permanent. Once done, open the outliner and change its display mode to orphan data so you can see unused materials and other data blocks. Then go to File, Clean Up, and choose Purge All. This removes truly unreferenced materials immediately. Make sure to inspect the orphan list first. If you see items you still need, stop and reassign them to objects before purging. Now focus on objects that hold the materials you want gone. You select those meshes, open the material properties, and remove material slots or assign a single temporary material. Unlinking breaks the reference so Blender can free the old data. Be aware of the fake user shield. If enabled, disable it so the material can be purged. Once unlinked from every object, go back to File, right arrow Cleanup, right arrow Purge, all to complete this middle cleanup step, and shrink your file. Finish by saving the cleaned file and confirming the size dropped. Inspect the outliner orphan data to ensure nothing left. If a material still appears, it's usually due to a fake user flag or because it's referenced by a linked library. Disable the fake user or make the data block local, then unlink the library. If Purge All does nothing, close Blender and reopen the file, then try Purge All again. That often clears stubborn references and completes the cleanup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.